To enable or disable wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the battery setting. And then in here, scroll further down to find wireless power sharing. So if you enable this option, then you can place another device that has wireless charging on top of the back of your Z Flip 7 in order to charge it. Before you turn it on, you can also set the battery limit. So whenever your battery drops to the select percentage, it will stop wireless power sharing. So essentially what you need to do is simply, ideally you want to close your Z Flip, and then you can place your other device that you wish to wirelessly charge on top of it, like so. So if you have another, for example, smartphone that can be charged wirelessly, then you can just place it on top of it somewhere like this, for example. And as you can see, we can actually charge. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.